I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage good. First, select a fresh, firm head of cabbage, ensuring it feels heavy for its size. Remove any damaged outer leaves and give it a good rinse. Then, cut the cabbage into quarters, remove the tough core, and shred it to your desired thickness. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious results. Now, let's explore cooking methods that bring out the best in cabbage. Sautéing with onions and garlic adds a lovely sweetness. Roasting at a high temperature creates delicious caramelized edges and a deeper flavor. Braising in a flavorful broth makes it incredibly tender and infused with rich taste. Each method offers a unique and delightful experience. To elevate your cabbage, consider its perfect partners. Meats like crispy bacon, savory sausage, or smoky ham complement it beautifully. For an herbaceous touch, try caraway seeds or fresh dill. A splash of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice at the end brightens the entire dish, balancing the richness and adding a pleasant tang. Cabbage is incredibly versatile for creative dishes. Transform it into a vibrant coleslaw with a tangy, creamy dressing. Stir-fry it quickly with soy sauce, ginger, and other vegetables for a quick meal. Or ferment it to create homemade sauerkraut, a probiotic-rich and flavorful condiment. The possibilities are truly endless for this humble vegetable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.